Hello, colleagues. I created this video to help you add, content to your Canvas shell. Many of us are now going to be teaching Math 145 online, essentially. So I have some videos that I'd like to share with you that you can quickly add to your course shell to help build up the content that you want to offer to your students. So the first thing I want to do is show you where the content is, and then I want to show you how to add it to your Canvas shell. So I've added all of you as teachers to this MLM's Math 145 shell. And you'll see under modules, I added much of the content for Unit 1. So students that haven't taken the Unit 1 test can go back and review some of the Unit 1 material. So for example, if you click on activity 3536, I think that's the compound interest problem. You can click on the link or click on the video. And I would suggest opening this up in YouTube. And now you can see the activity for section 3.5. Let's see. Right, that's me narrating it. And I just wanted to mention also that you can do closed captioning by just clicking the button. So if you have a hearing impaired student, they can toggle on the subtitles, and you can play around with that as well. By going into options, you can change the background color and the font and so on. All right, so let's get back to the modules. So again, all of the activities, these are videos. I actually added the lab as well, right? So your students can watch all of the activities, say for 3.5, and then at the end you'll see the lab for 3.5. Right here, the videos for 3.7 and the lab for 3.7, and so on. So anything labeled activity, I believe, is a video, and the labs are the labs. Right, that's Unit 2. And then I haven't added everything for Unit 3. I was hoping that we're going to get back to school by the time we get to section 5.1, 5.2, but we'll see. I might be able to add more content if this virus issue drags on longer than anticipated. So the question is, how do I copy this material into my Canvas shell? All right, so let's pretend this is your Canvas shell with your students. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Settings, you'll see this Import Course Content. So I'll click on that. And I want to copy a Canvas course. And then I'm going to select the course. So you folks are going to want to look for that MLM's Math 145 Master. And you don't want to select all content. You want to probably select specific content and then import. And then you'll see it brings you to this next screen where it says Select Content. You can click on Modules and then press Select Content, and it will start to copy that over. And I'm just looking at it, and now it's running. And now when I go to that class, I should see that the two new folders in my module section. Let's see, it's still running now, it's completed. So now I'm going to probably have duplicates because, let's take a look here. I already had Unit 2 and Unit 3 here, right? So you see how I have down here Unit 2 and Unit 3. Right, these were the newest things that I copied to my Canvas shell. So hopefully in your Canvas shell, maybe you'll have your class schedule, your Math Excel registration. I like to do like a checklist that tells students what they have due by what dates. So for example, this was the Unit 1 checklist. I broke it down by weeks, right? So by week 3, I wanted them to watch these videos and complete whatever assignments and so on. You don't have to create a checklist. I just do that for my online courses. But anyway, the main crux here is you want the videos, right? So the Unit 2 videos are here, and the Unit 3 videos would be down here. And again, I haven't done all of the Unit 3 videos. I went all the way up down to 5.2. And hopefully this will help you transition into like online learning for your students. I also want to point out I am no Steven Scorsese or Steven Spielberg. Actually, I call him Steven Scorsese. I think it's Martin Scorsese and Steven Spielberg. I did the best I could with these videos. The editing is probably horrible. You might hear my kid crying in the background or a dog barking or a phone going off. Students are generally forgiving with the quality of the content, and they seem to appreciate the videos. So I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to just send me an email. This is Mike Elms, melms@brookdalecc.edu, and I'll do my best to help you get through this. Anyway, stay safe, be safe, and I hope you and your family are doing well.